Let's put the bumper on, shall we? This metal channel is loose from the fender. It actually helps guide the seal into the position of the arc of the fender, and it really helps me position it just where I want it. Okay, each of those 5mm studs and screws I put in to attach the bumper to the fenders, that's great for getting it sort of aligned and the seal positioned and all that. But the bumper brackets are fiberglassed into the bumper, and this bracket here is aluminum. I made this some time ago, and that's what this is a part that goes to the bumper, and this part goes to the car. So let me show you how these work to actually secure the bumper to the car. Those mounts with the 2 holes are right about here. So the idea is if you do take a hit to the front of the bumper or you run into some cones, which I'm sure I will do, it's gonna take a whack right here. It's pretty secure as it is, but this is just extra insurance, and it takes a little bit of stress off the top of the bumper, which is actually cosmetic. This bracket is fiberglassed on the inside of the structure, not cosmetic. Right here is where these 2 seals come together, and I think I want to glue them. I believe the factory glues them as well. And I think the material to use, or the glue to use on that, is black shoe goo, believe it or not. So I don't have any of that. I'm going to order some of that. Same on the other side. It just needs to be, joined together or vulcanized maybe. If you have an idea what glue might work for this, that might make this work a little better. And then I need to go underneath there and adjust this out just a little bit, get that seal, further towards the front so it looks a little bit better. But generally, this is pretty good. Like I said, no problem getting into the trunk anymore, or the frunk. So there are 2 seals here, one from the short hood, one from the long hood. Most backdates that I see don't have this rubber seal in there at all, and they don't usually put this one in either. So you don't get this factory look between the side where you got this gasket between the bumper and the body. I think that's important for a backdate. Also, you normally see daylight through here, and I need to adjust this new piece here a little bit and put probably another foam strip behind there. It's just loose right now, not all the screws are in it, but things need to be adjusted, but in general, we're almost there.